All right, Tony. So in your response, you said that you couldn't figure out how to do the neck of the violin. So let's take a closer look. All right. So first of all, it looks like you got this one, that you did a good job with this, and you also said something about not being able to. I think there was some point that you said that you had to draw an extra line, but it looks like you have the shape all closed, which is great. All right, let's focus in on this and not being able to get this to fill. The reason why it looks like you have two different shapes here. So you have this shape and then you have this shape. Okay. All right. So this is what probably happened. So then you're coming in and you're saying, okay, I want to put a black fill on this, but it won't do that because the shape is not filled. Even if we come on in right here, okay, it kind of comes in piecemeal. All right, so this is what happened. Are you ready? First of all, I'm going to get rid of this one right here. Okay, I'm going to come in and I am going to zoom in and I'm going to grab the pen tool. Now, what happened probably as you were working, and I don't know if I think in the video I covered it at one point, it's a lot to take in though, is you were working and then all of a sudden the path that you were working on was no longer selected. So it created another path. Okay, so it's really important that you close your shapes. All right, now when that happens, what you want to do is you want to come to the end and you need to reactivate the path. When you do that, you click at the anchor point, and whenever you get that / see it right there, it will reactivate the path. See, now I know my path is reactivated because it's red. All right. Now I can also see, actually, it looks like you have a couple different areas where that happened. I can see right in, like now that I take a closer look, I can see that this right here is a different shape. So you have like these couple different shapes. Okay. And you have a whole bunch of different shapes. All right. So let's start again. We'll come back in with the pen tool. I'm going to reactivate this shape. Now I don't even have the anchors, but I'm going to reactivate this. I'll click here, come in something like that. And I'm not even following this properly. Again, you would, then you would come in, and I'm doing this terribly, you would close it, right? And then you could fill it, right? So then you could come on in and you could put the fill of the black in. All right, it looks like you have a different shape over here. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually come on over to the handle over here and just take a look over here. All right, so then, and I can really see why you felt really kind of tricky, because when you come in, this is actually already drawn for you, so you could just use that if you wanted to. And then it's really hard to draw over top of a layer that's already created. So we can see how they went about creating this. This was A, and there really are no guides and stuff. So, if I was to just go around it and make it bigger, but they clicked and moved through this. Again, the most important thing for you when you want to put a fill on a shape is that you don't just have separate points, but that they're all connected. Hopefully that makes sense. And if you have any more questions, don't hesitate to send them my way. Thanks so much.